Hey, what's going on, YouTube? How's it going? Hey, let me know you're here. Good to see you guys. See 8 of you at least waiting. We'll wait for the live to populate, and then we'll get rocking. Going to give you guys an update on the small time frame Bitcoin. I don't often do this, but I didn't get a video out today, so I wanted to get some information out and get it recorded for posterity's sake, so you guys can not be lost in the wind. If you don't want to worry about when the next update's coming out, though, would encourage you guys to come on and join us in the Discord. That's a great place to be. So we do two lives every day, and they're never wanting for information. So anyway, if you want to be part of that, just find me in the description there. You'll see a Patreon link to Jim of All Trades, patreon.com/Jim of All Trades. You can come join the Discord. All right, well, we'll wait for people to jump in, and we'll see. What's up, Big John? How's it going? You the first one in? Awesome to see you. Impromptu live tonight, so maybe people will start trickling in once we get started. Let's see what this market's doing right now. What's up, sick puppy? Hey, aloha. What's up, AOL? And aloha, Adil. How's it going? How is it going? Curious. Interesting. Kind of taking a peek at the corrections that we're getting across the board right now. Waiting for everybody to get in. What's up, Johnny English? What's up? How's it going? Hey, Dan. Hey, Merle. How's it going, buddy? Proto Man. I can't see a thing, guys. I need my glasses. Let me get my glasses on. I can't read. I can't read the chat. Can't read the chat. Let's see if we can get some eyes on here. Oh, there you are. I found you. Jorge, what's up? How's it going? Hey, Renz, good to see you, buddy. I haven't seen you in a while. All right, guys. Well, let me jump into the. I'm going to jump into the sexy Jim. Not me. Not me at all. Let me jump into the what is this called? The TA, and we'll get started. Hey, what's up, Ned? And see Meanie? Hey, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes while you come in if you got time, if you don't mind. Maybe YouTube will start populating this guy with some more. So let's look at Bitcoin. Don't forget, not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, just my take in the market. And I'm an Elliott Wave trader. We're going to look at wave structure, guys. Wave structure, we're going to look at fives and threes, guys. Fives and threes, put them together. We got a double fake out coming, guys. Potential. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at here. It's a double fake out. We'll see what's going on. So let's jump in. There we go. Perfect. All right, this is what I'm looking at here, guys. Okay, let's take a vote. Do you guys want the quick version or do you want the educated version? Which one do you want, guys? I dominated the air in my chips bag. Nice. What's up? I love your name. It's amazing. That is the most epic of all YouTube names there is. I don't know what it means to dominate the air in your chips bag, but it's hilarious. All right, Daniel Frank, here's the quick version. I see us coming up to this region and then coming back down, okay? It's going to feel like, now here's what's going to happen. I'm going to explain what this structure is that's being formed and how I got this target zone up here, about 48.5, but looking for a move up to here. We'll see if that happens or not. I have an alternate count. You're going to have to stick around for the alternate count, but basically looking for a move up to here, potentially. I've got an alternate count that's a little bit more tricky than that. It's a triple fake out, but I'm not sure we're going to get a triple fake out, but we stand to get a double. I think everybody's going to think this is going up. up, 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 and then it's going to drastically come back down, take out this liquidity down here, and the whole structure is going to be a big old flat right there, which will be followed by another move to the upside. Now after that, I've got several counts. You're going to have to wait around in the live to get that. All right, there is the that's the quick version. That's what I'm seeing, guys. So as far as this wave structure, that's all the sideways action. This is the way I think it's going to play out. Basically, 3 up. 3 down, 3 up, 5 down, okay? Going to take out liquidity. We're going to get another 5 up really fast, retest the high. Now we could either go up and make higher highs, or we're going to come down and make lower lows, and I'll show you the 2 different counts and why that's a line of demarcation we got to pay attention to. So there's the quick version, guys. So that's for everybody that wanted a quick version. Now, for all of you awesome people that want to be educated, no, okay, I'm just playing. Not really. I'm joking, but half serious. I always appreciate those people that want to understand rather than just be told. I like the attitude there. So let's talk about the educated version here. What is this structure here, and where did I get it? Okay, and my people who are already part of my Discord already have all that. Well, when we do analysis on the waves, what we do is we first off we identify waves, okay, 5s and 3s. That's basically what we do very quickly, okay. And this is what we do in our Discord every day, except I teach this in the Discord as well. So anyway, we got a 5-wave move right here, guys. This was a 5-wave move of Bitcoin off the bottom, and I can go down to the 15-second chart and show you the 5 waves. But there's 5 waves in there, and it ends right there, okay? Now let's go zoom out just a little bit now to the 15-minute. Whoa, where'd my chart go? Where'd my chart go? There's my chart. Sorry, guys. All right, so after that 5-wave move off the bottom, what we got was a complex flat, okay? And now you need to know what a flat is, but a flat is counted as a 3-3-5. You got a structure of 3 there, 3 there, and then you got 5 there. So it's a 3-3-5, and so that's a common structure in the market. We traded that guy, made some money on part of that, the parts that were tradable, really. Boom, 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 right there. So that's a 3-wave move. Okay, so that's a real clear thing. And generally speaking, what you look for after a 3-wave move is, well, we're going to look for more upside. We're looking for a 5-wave move. But guys, this sideways action is not part of this impulse. In other words, we're getting more correct. This is all corrective price action. Okay. It's all corrective in nature. So in other words, we're making a complex structure that we need to pay attention to. Now, what's interesting about this structure is that it began this. So we're gonna call this one structure all by itself finished. Now we need to say, okay, what is this structure here? What's being made? Well, let's look and see if we can figure it out. What we've got here is we've got a 5-wave impulse off of the top. Okay, that's pretty easy to see. Then we've got a 3-wave move right there. It's a WXY. It's kind of a flat, but yeah, actually it can be counted as a flat as well. But basically, it's a 3-wave move. And we're thinking, okay, yeah, we got a 5-wave, we got a 3-wave pullback, and we were thinking, yeah, here, oh, not that. We were thinking in the Discord, yeah, we get 5 waves, 3-wave pullback, and here we go. Except what happened here? What happened was, you see, what happened was, we got another stinking flat right here. Daggone it. They won't stop bringing us the flats. So we got another flat there. It's a 3-wave move. It's kind of a pain in the rear end. So that's kind of frustrating, but again, that's what the market's given us, is 3 waves. So we got a 3-wave here, and we got a 3-wave there. And now here's the part that we're not exactly sure of, and we have to see what the market's going to do. But basically, what we got right here was a 5-wave impulse to finish what I believe, is a running flat. Okay, it's a running flat. Let me show you the count for a running flat. It's an ABC. It's a 3, a 3, and then a 5. Now, I'm not certain. I mean, I think that that is the running flat. It measures right. It measures to the 1-to-1. It counts right. I just don't, you know, it's short, and it's always tough to say, yeah, that's a running flat. But I believe that's a running flat. So now what we're looking at here, now we're getting complex here, but we've identified this complex structure in the middle. Okay, now it started with an impulse wave to the upside. We got a 3-wave in the middle. Now what we're looking for, if the market will give it to us, and I'm not certain it's giving it to us yet, but we're watching this wave carefully to see if it's giving it. We're looking for a move up to this target. And what that's going to be, ultimately, is a big 3-wave move. Just like this. We'll put the fibs on this guy. We'll come down to our the bottom of our flat right there, and we're looking for the 1-to-1 target of about 48.3 to 48.4 in that ballpark. Okay, and the 1-to-1. Okay, now it could come up higher than that, but I don't think it's going to. You notice that the 1-to-1 is right above these waves right here, and there's a lot of liquidity because what happened here when this thing rebounded, people went short. Okay, where are their stops? They're up here. So there's a lot of liquidity up above these regions right here. A lot of people went short here. Looks like a 3-wave pullback. People are probably looking to go short again. And I don't think that's going to happen. I think what this is going to do is just going to keep on impulsing up here. It's going to screw everybody up, and it's going to be just a big 3-wave move just like that. And there's your first fake out that the video promised. While this looks very bearish and it looks like it's going to fall down like that, I don't think it's going to. I think it's going to 3-wave and come up here. Now, could I be wrong? Yeah, I could be wrong. That's a working hypothesis. We have invalidation points, and so we're not worried about that too much. Now, really, to be honest with you, the invalidation of this particular count right here is right here. If you guys want to know where that invalidation point is, it's right there at 46,270. Okay, 46,270, the bottom of this wave right there. So nose is itching. Okay, so yeah. I'm looking for that 3-wave move. Now, it's a pretty complex move, and that's the way I've got it mapped out for now. I have another possibility here. Now, this is even crazier here. Okay, so come on. Okay, there he goes. So anyway, what would happen here after this move here? What we'd be looking for, just before I get to my alternate count, is and guys, this is all small time frame analysis, by the way. We'll do macro analysis another night, but we're just trying to navigate these current waves, see if we can get you in a position, or at least I can get in a position of I'm trying to get trade some of these waves up and down. So anyway, looking for a move down like this, and overall what that would be is just a big 3-wave A, a 3-wave B, a real complex B wave, and then we get a 5-wave C, and that's what we're looking for. So that would be the finality of this particular inner wave of this big correction. That's the way I'm looking at it right there. Bring that up to here. Some project some target anywhere between the 1-to-1 and the 1-414 zone. And so what's going to happen here, if this comes up here like that, if it does, what it's going to end up doing, it's going to kind of get people long, get people excited, take out liquidity, come down pretty fast, okay, and retest the low and get everybody short. And what it's going to look like, what it would look like if this plays out, is it's going to look like a 3-wave move that finished, and now we're going down to make lower lows. Okay, that's what it'll look like on the chart. But I don't think it's going to be done. I think what it's going to do is come down here fast, retest these bottom areas here, these bottom fibs, the bottom of this wave. Everybody's thinking, we're going to go short again, and trap traders down here short, and then they're going to take it up one more time. And let me show you how. Now they could take it up for higher highs, or they could take it up, and let me show you what that would be basically. So that would basically be an A wave right there. A B wave, this whole big thing is the B wave, and then we'd be looking for C like that. I know that's a bunch of gobbledygook. I do know that, but that's what's in the works. At least that's a possibility of what could be in the works. So yeah, I need to start seeing this current wave impulsing to the upside. It looks like it's prepping to. I think any time now it's getting ready to. I believe, but this is my take here, guys. Um, yeah, we'll talk about that, Renz. I'll talk about the I'll talk about that. But we don't have wave structure here to really be a 1-2 combo, in my opinion. I do not think this is 1-2. Now it could be, and I'll show you what that count. But I don't see that wave structure here um, playing out. I think it's going to be much larger on the chart. I think it's going to be a much larger, much more complex wave. Now this wave right here, this yellow wave could stop right here, or it could keep rocking, okay, to higher highs. And so it doesn't have to be an ABC. It could be a 1-2. This whole thing. But I think we're going to get a complex like this rather than a simple that just goes up from here. I believe, based on wave structure. Okay. So yeah, there's the simple chart there, looking to kind of come down here, and then we go up again. So watch out. We haven't really retested the bottom. We usually do. Watch out for a fake out to the upside tonight, tomorrow, something like that. Maybe a dumpy weekend, okay, that kind of gets dumpy and gets into Sunday. And then we have a really bullish Sunday night or Monday in like that, something like that. And who knows how long this is going to take. It could take a lot longer. I could move this out. But the point is, I'm looking at complexity here, guys. Looking at complexity. Okay. Now, let's see here. What was I going to say? Oh, I want to show you my alternate count. So I'm going to move this out of the way. Move that out of the way. Oh, sorry. I'm going to move this out of the way. My alternate count is this. It is, instead of this being a running flat here in the middle, we actually are having a larger flat where this is just a 1-2. That's a 1-2 to the downside. We're going to get a 3-4-5. Now, if that happens, this is our target. So that's a possibility as well, that we could come on down here just like that. And so this could be, that would be 5. Then we'd have 3. Okay, that's a big old flat right there. And then we'd get the move up here. So this is like a triple complex deal, where we'd have A, B, and C. All right. But that can't be. That actually can't be, because I can't break that. See, I don't like this count. I don't like this count at all. Actually, what I just shared with you is not valid. Ignore it. Ignore it, because it can't happen. At least it can't happen per Elliott wave. Sorry. Sometimes you get lost in the waves. Yeah, that can't happen. Sorry, guys. Okay, so yeah, I like my other count. Let's look at the small time frame and see what could be happening here. You'll notice here we got 3 waves off the top here. Looks like we got a leading diagonal to start here. 5 waves. Yeah, G-Max, we're talking about small time frame, buddy, and how to trade the small time frames. I'm not talking about macro counts at all. I got an ultra moon boy count. I got bear counts. I know what structures I'm looking for, especially. So, just making sure you understand, or whoever was talking. Sometimes I get in the middle of a conversation, so sorry about that if I did. All right. Anyway, so yeah, it looks like we got a leading diagonal here on the small time frame. So I got a 3-way pullback, and now this needs to get impulsing, okay? So, oh yeah, I got you. Sorry about that. I know you do. I was just clarifying what I was talking about. So anyway, we got a one 5 wave, 3 wave, and yeah, this looks like three right there, and it's creating hidden bullish divergence here on the small time frames. Like on the 1 minute chart, this has come down here, but we've got low, higher lows there, up there. So that looks like 3 waves. Looks like it needs to be about finished and heading up for the next wave, most likely. The 5 wave needed to come down a bit too as well. So excuse me, the 5 minute needed to come down, and it has also come down bullishly as well. It's come down back to the 50 to reset. Almost have exaggerated divergence. Almost. We got this 3 wave, so that's resetting for another push to the upside. Don't be fooled by this wave here, guys. That is not a bearish wave. Most likely, it's just a corrective wave, most likely. And my count to the upside is still intact. Now, if you want to see a premonition, I had this. I actually had. I'm surprised how deep that's come. I had it possibly finishing right there, but anyway, looking at XRP here, guys. XRP is trash here. Oh, I just took my stupid drawing off. The 10-minute chart. There it is. Here's basically the XRP chart. I had this drawn before this happened, guys. I had this all this stuff on the charts prior to this move happening, and so XRP actually fulfilled my target. Got right where I expected it to go, and the wave shape that I'm looking for. But be careful, it's a fake out. Okay, what we got here is an ABC. Okay, or actually that's not an ABC. That's a WXY. Let me clarify that. WX and a Y right there. So we got a WXY right there, and that's an extended flat right here up to the 2618. Looks like, but man, it's coming down awful fast. I was surprised to see this move without Bitcoin and Ethereum, but it may come up here and make one more higher high just for the heck of it, or it may just 3 wave up while Bitcoin and Ethereum catch up with the count. I don't know. I'm still watching that. I'm surprised to see this coming down so fast, to be honest with you. Of course, I was surprised to see it go up so fast without all the other charts to go. But anyway, that move, I had this move drawn out prior to that pump. The move was in the chart, the best I could tell. So anyway, and it came right to the target zone here, the 1414, 1276. So that's looking pretty good. So let's see here. Man, I tell you what, Bitcoin this thing needs to stop. I don't like how slow it's coming down like this. I don't like how slow it comes down. Let's take a peek at Ethereum real fast. I just want to get a little picture of all the charts here. What I try to do is offer look at correlation with all the charts. Yeah, we're still corrective here. Still the 127 extension. Still corrective here. Looks like 1-to-1. Yeah, we're not even at the 127 or 1618. So I think what this is just getting people kind of bearish, so they're shorting it, so it looks short, and then it goes up and takes you out. Because this wave looks like it needs to be going up, not down. But I'll tell you what, this does appear to be a 3 wave move all day long. That looks very 3 wave-ish. But what I think we're getting actually is a one. Oh, no, not that. Now I could be wrong on this, but it looks like we're getting a 1-2, 1-2 with continuation to the upside. But this does look 3 wave-ish and not 5 wave-ish, and so that's got me bothered a little bit. So if this thing doesn't go up to upper targets, guys, then we're going to get a more complex 5 wave to the downside to retest. So that's my invalidation, guys. Basically, this wave right here is my invalidation point to all this analysis. That if in fact it doesn't go up from these levels, and it goes down and breaks this level, then most likely I have misinterpreted these waves, and I'm going to have to go back to the drawing board again. But yeah. Absolutely, GMAX. That's what they like to do. That's why you guys have to. You can't over leverage yourselves, guys, because the market will just. And that's what all this chop is for, guys. That's what all this chop. You make money in the big moves, but You make money in the big moves, but then they take it back in this chop. So if you can learn to read this chop and get some and get a sense for where it's going, then you'll be in good shape. I really think we're coming up here to upper targets. But we will see. Time will tell. I could be wrong. Please just know that I can and often am wrong, especially when I analyze these really difficult wave structures, because small time frame is extremely hard. It's more of an art, and I'm pretty good at it. But again, I adjust as need be. When I see something that negates one idea, I switch over to the next idea. And so, you guys, you got to realize that these ideas are ideas based on what I'm seeing on the charts right now. If I get something else on the chart in the next whatever time frame, I may alter what I'm seeing and say, okay, yeah, I'm seeing this instead. So, just to give you an idea of how I'm thinking about things. Okay. All right. Let's see. Let me just look at one thing there. As an alternate count, there's kind of a sense. I just don't like it. I don't like it at all. You want to say this. You want to say that was three waves to the upside, and now we go down. And that was a three, and then a 5 wave. That's what you want to say. My problem with that count, and here's my problem with it. I mean, number one, it kind of looks like that, okay? So be aware of the possibility that this could do this, okay? Come down in 5 waves. But still, my count is in play, but that would be a 3-wave flat. So possibility. Wow, XRP is just coming way down. Really quick. And ETH has hit now the 1618, which is where I needed to pause and stop and look for. Now, if this starts impulsing beyond these levels, then again I'm gonna switch my tune and look for targets lower. Okay, so watch out for this move right here. Okay, watch out for this move, but I think I don't know. I feel like it's too obvious, but it might be playing. It might be playing out. Let me look at XRP a little bit and see how that can look. That's just a double correction. 1-to-1 extension right there. Boom. Hidden bull divergence. I think it's a fake out move, guys. I do. I think this is a fake out dump, and it's getting ready to head up. They needed to reset the RSI. Yeah, I got hidden bull divergence on the 5-minute. See, ADA looks good. Everything looks corrective. All these waves look corrective, guys. Until they're not. Until they're not corrective, right? Yeah, I don't like how that is doing. But that looks like a simple 5, 3, and then a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there to the 1-to-1 extension. Might have a hair more down. Ethereum needs to stop right here. Interesting. Yeah, all these look like corrective waves that need to respond by going up here. This is just a little hairy moment. I'm just curious. I'm curious to watch this. I want to see what ADA is doing here. I got 1, 2. Yeah, I just don't like that. It looks like 3 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe. All right, so anyway, the bearish count takes us down. Instead of going up to that upper target first, we come down here to this lower target. And still, that's going to be part of a fake out because it may want to dump tonight and come and retest this bottom. Okay, and if it does that, that's fine. It can do that, but then watch out because more than likely, if you get 5 waves here like this, you're looking for a 5-wave move to the upside. More than likely. More than likely. Let's see here. Depends on which one you're talking about. Yeah, there's hidden bull all over the charts, man. And I think this deep correction is necessary, just to entice sellers right now for the move that they're getting ready to make to the upside. But the structure of XRP looks just so. Oh yeah, L-Man came in. It's definitely ugly. It's complex correction. Definitely ugly. I need an engulfing candle right in here right about now. 1-minute chart. See, none of the. I mean, all of this just looks like 3 waves right now. Come down to the 1618. It's an extended kind of correction. We have hidden bullish divergence on the 5-minute chart. There's hidden bull. I don't know if y'all know what hidden bull looks like, but hidden bullish divergence looks like this. Okay, that's hidden bull. So, I mean, it's just looking good for more upside, I believe. I think that correction was needed because the RSI was getting overbought, and if we're going to that upper target that I was mentioning before, that 40, what was it, 47.4, 47.3, something like that. Let me clear my chart here and redraw it. If we're going to those upper targets, we had to reset the RSI. If this is going to be an A, B, and then a C, it's a really trashy kind of wave, guys. I mean, super trashy in a lot of ways. Lots of fake out, a lot of shenanigans, lots of take here. Let me take your money from Bitcoin. So I'd like to see this as a 1, 2, 1, 2. So if that's a 1, 2, 1, 2, then we're looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're looking at an upper target as long as it gets to impulsing right here. Because the 1, 2, 1, 2 is the second 1, 2 is the 1, 2 of the third wave. Am I boring you guys? I love wave structure analysis, guys. I nerd out on it all the time. I love it. Yeah, I got the hex chart right here. Hex, I think hex has another wave to the upside as well. I got hidden bull on the chart. Hex is going up more. This is like a 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, and then extended fifth maybe. But watch out, that may be all you get for hex for a little while. But hex looks good for the upside, I think. I just happen to have that chart. I'll try to get to Monero if I can. I didn't want to take a bunch of chart requests tonight. So, macro count's about done, man. We got bearish divergence in the 4 hour. It's about finished. We got multiple divergences here. It's one more wave to the upside. It might be parabolic like this, but that's about it, buddy. Yeah, ADA. ADA looks is the same count, guys, as Bitcoin. Um, Trying to find the time frame. There we go. Let's see. Let me get rid of that for a minute. Get rid of that for a minute. The way I'm seeing, I don't know if this is going to make it or not. It may or may not play. We'll see. I don't like this wave structure right here, but it might be okay. I may have to adjust this count later. I had a hard time with this, but I was kind of looking at this wave kind of like a 5-3-5 right there, and then a 3 wave move there, and then a 5-3, and then I need to see. Well, get off my screen. I can't get rid of that stuff. I had a really hard time with this. I mean, you got a simple structure over here where you got an impulse through a pullback. Now, what this is a little bit more. I was kind of looking at it as a WXY. Where you got the W, there's the X, and now I need Y. But I don't even like that. I don't even like that count. It's ugly. But pulling the fibs, if I'm right, pulling the fibs, um, this way may work out like that. Get up here to. I can't stand this count. This chart, ADA's been messing with me. But maybe this gets impulsing up here and then comes down 3. Oops, sorry. 3, 3, 5, and then up. Well, just like Bitcoin. Maybe that happens. Yeah, crypto apparel. That's what I'm doing here. I rewind, and you have to pay attention to my analysis of the guys. You guys believe when y'all see this choppy stuff. I know that you guys think that it's just chopping it sideways, but as an Elliott wave trader, there's actually structures that tell me where the waves are going, or at least indicate where they could be going. And so when you learn to read those structures, you actually have some indication. I'm having a hard time reading this, so I'm having a hard time projecting ADA. But ETH is pretty clear. Um, I like ETH a lot. ETH is a nice, simple count. There are structures here. Um, this chop, it's what we call it. It's complex correction. Okay, and it's designed to confuse traders and whatnot. But we got a nice W. We got a nice double zigzag right here. Looks like just a three wave move right there. Okay, it's a 535, and then we got a three wave pullback right here. All right, that's the X wave. Okay, now we're looking for a 5, a 3, and now I'm looking for 5 right here. Just like that. That's exactly what I'm looking for Ethereum. I want to see a big 5 wave. Boom, 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 to get up here. Now that's what that's going to do. It's going to get up here. It's going to look like it's going long, but it's probably going to reverse from up here and come back down to either it could come down as a running flat and only come down shy of these regions and then go back up again, or it could come back down all the way down here and retest these lows as a flat, as an expanded flat. Either way, it I'm going to be going. I'm going to be looking to go short once Ethereum gets up here tonight, tomorrow. If my count is correct, and I'm going to be looking to go short on that wave there. So, but that's a clear chart right there. That looks really, really good. Yeah, this could come all the way down here or here, but it could come as low as the 1-to-1, or the 127, or the 1618. And there's the pocket. If you guys don't understand Elliott wave, then you're not going to understand what I'm doing. It's not going to make a lot of sense to you. So it really, really just understand that I'm applying Elliott wave principles here. And I know you probably don't understand it from your technical analysis, because it's not wave structure isn't the way you look at the charts. But I look at a chart from a wave structure standpoint, guys. This is just how I read the charts. Okay, so I have free playlist. It's called Trading Night School, on how to read Elliott waves, and how to interpret the market through Elliott wave, and how to trade as well, and how to trade the Forex. I mean, it's a whole trading night school that I did 2 years ago. Live stream. It's free for you if you want to have that. If you want to come into the Discord, I've got a much more concise and compact set of lessons for trading overall, that you can come and start watching and get started trading and learning how to read the market like this. And then I do lives like this in the Discord every day. I do 2 of them a day. I don't do them on YouTube a lot. Today I came live because I had time tonight. I was sitting watching the chart, and I thought you guys might want some help with this complexity. So if you're thankful for the help, let me know in the comments, and also hit the likes, guys. Just keep me encouraged, okay? I know there's a lot of chat in here, and I can't seem to keep up with it. And Kimosabi's not here to moderate for me. So anyway, let me see. Yeah, juice box, me too. I always make a trading plan like this, and I love it when it plays out, and I'm always frustrated. I mean, I'm not frustrated. I adjust when it doesn't play out. So anyway, um, G Max is hilarious. Yeah, guys, if y'all would forgive me, I don't want to be everybody's chart boy tonight. And just look at a bunch of charts that look the same, because they're all making complex corrections for the most part. There's a couple of charts out there that are interesting. Algo is a really interesting chart. Um, but I mean, we're all BTC is really where it's at. I'll look at a couple of them that I saw here. I already had a hex chart, so I looked at that one quick. XRP, I have that, so that's done. Um, Looking to see if this is a nice 1-2-1-2. It's looking good so far. Let's go down to the 5 minute here and look and see what we've got going on here. Yeah, we got a nice leading diagonal here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with a pullback, and then we got a nice. I don't. The only problem I'm having here is I don't have 5 waves here. I have 3 waves. A little nervous about that. How that's going to play out. It may be fine, but I don't have 5 waves. Oh, unless I got the 1-2 right down in here. That might be. That probably is. There's probably. Yep, there it is. I know you guys could probably laugh at this, but this is the 30-second chart. And every now and then you got to get down there. So, I mean, this could be a 1-2 right there, 3, 4, extended 5th wave. And that's plausible. If I pulled the fibs and measure that, let's see how that measures. Perfect. That came to the 1, 6, 1, 8, 3rd wave. That's perfect. Yeah, that's a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a 5. I'm good with that. I'm good with that. Extended 5th wave often makes it look like it's 3-wave move. I think they're working really hard to make this look like a corrective wave. I really do. I think they're making this look like it's a 3-wave pullback and then it's going to go down. I think they've worked really hard to make it look like that. But I think it's getting ready to go up. I think it's about to start mooning here pretty good. In my world, this is a fantastic long for Bitcoin. If you wanted to take a scalp long, this is the way we trade. We'd enter down here, and your stop will be right here, below this. Because if this comes down here, then this isn't a 1-2. Okay? So the 1-2 gets invalidated at the break of that low, so that'd be where your stop is. Be careful, they might hit the low one more time. But they shouldn't break this low if this is a 1-2. If they break that low, then I got to relook at the count. I'm wrong with the way I'm looking at this wave. And if I'm wrong with the way I'm looking at the wave, then I shouldn't be trading it. So that's why we stop it. Scam basis, right? You're waiting for the one more hit to the low there for the long. Yeah, you might get it, Chemo. Good to see you, buddy. By the way. All right. Anyway, just chilling here with you guys. Let's see. So yeah, I think, like I said, I think they've worked hard to make this look like a 3-wave pullback with continuation to the downside. I really think this is going to come up here and finish out in our region, and so we're going to get that double fake out uh, that I was talking about. We'll see. We'll see if that actually plays. It may or may not play. We'll see. Yeah, dude, this is totally an impromptu live. I needed to get some YouTube content out here, and I knew there were a lot of. And I got to thinking about my subscribers that maybe just getting beat to death in all this chop and want some understanding of what's happening. But guys, I just didn't want you guys to. If this starts going up tonight, I didn't want you to get Moon Boy on me because it's probably coming down as well, equally fast. So if it goes up tonight, it's probably going to come down, and then we're going to have boom, boom, and boom like that, and then we go up again. So double fake out coming, guys. First fake out, second, well, triple fake out if you want to call it that. First fake out to the upside, come back down, take out this liquidity, and then come on back up again. Now we could go Moon Boy from there, or we could just come down from there. So, all right, let me take a couple of chart requests. I know some of you have already asked. Super chats are always welcome and appreciated. If you've got requests for charts, I'll be glad to look at it. Super chats, you get priority. Okay. All right. Let's look at FET because Mr. Proton asked, "Are you still here, Proto Man?" Yeah, crap coins, guys. There's not a whole lot of you can do with them, so keep that in mind. Yeah, it's a crap coin. Up, down, up, down. There's no divergence here yet, so there's probably going to be another wave to the upside, I would guess, based on the RSI. There's no one two. I mean, we don't have any evidence that the wave is finished. Generally speaking, there's divergence between the third and the fifth wave. This wave kind of wiped out. So chances are this is going to flag out for a fourth wave, go up one more high, create divergence, and then head on down. That'd be my guess. That's my quick take on FET. Salerno or Sol, whatever it's called. Solana, I should say, not Salerno, Solana. Yeah, Solana's about cooked, guys. Solana's about cooked. I would not expect a whole lot more upside, guys. Maybe one more hit to the high, looks like. One more high. Lots of divergence on this chart, guys. Lots of divergence. Looks like we need one more high. Best I can see. The way I was looking at Sol was this. We got a 5, a 3, and a 5 right there. That's a zigzag. We had a 3 wave to start it, so that's a 3. 3 that broke the high. And I'd say one more wave to the downside, maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 to finish. Maybe to get down here to the 1-to-1, 151, and that would be a flat right there. And then we go up again. So looks like we're flagging out in a fourth wave right in here on Sol. Looks like it's going to come down to about 151 if I had to guess. As low as 165, but maybe 151 all the way. I mean, it could get all the way down here to 133 to 124, but I doubt it as bullish as it is. Looks like it'll probably be a running flat. So 151 to 165 is where I'd watch for a reversal for another high. That's the way I'm looking at Sol. Um, Tezos. Um, it's an interesting chart. At least it's different. At least it's different. So when we had the dump, we had a nice three-wave move. Boom, hit corrective levels, and then up we go. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful chart right there. Um, so that's either okay. If you're a moon boy, you're like, oh, look at that. That's a 1-2, and maybe we go up, but probably not. This is more like 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the fifth wave, and it's done. 5 waves is finished, and now you're going to get a bigger correction. That's my take on Tezos. That this straight up move is a fifth wave move. You got the divergence there on the 6 hour. You got it on the 8 hour. You got so yeah that move right there is the fifth wave to the upside. It never did finish 5 waves. So there it is. 3 wave move. Boom. Now it is possible that that's exactly what and this may even get more extended. Okay, I'm not sure, obviously, but it's because it's pretty straight up. But this may be foretelling. Algo had the same thing, except a lot bigger. So Algo dumped and then went boom, and maybe it may be telling what Bitcoin's planning on doing. Because I do have a Moon Boy count, guys. That what's going to happen if this plays out. This is going to come down here, and then we go to the moon from there. Okay, so we're going to come down here, retest the bottom, and then we go to the moon after that. And we could go parabolic from there. So looking at that as a possibility there for Bitcoin. I think we need to retest the bottom anyway. We look at it before we go to the moon, but that's a possibility. I hope this plays out, but it may not. It may not play out. So keep that in mind, guys. It's just an idea. It's just an idea. Let's check the small time frame here just for kicks. So if this goes up from here, this is a classic. It looks like three waves, but it's actually a 1, 2, 1, 2. And it could be a sign of a very bullish wave to come. As long as it doesn't break this low right here. So if this reverses from here, so if we don't break this low here, then we got a good 1, 2. Otherwise, this is going to come down and make a lower low. Because that's the three-wave move. But right now it looks like a 1, 2, 1, 2. Until the low gets broken. So if this low gets broken right there, then it can't be a 1, 2, 1, 2. Hey, we'll see you, AOL. Take it easy. Let me see here. What else? So yeah, I looked at. I was gonna look at Zilla. What BKS Fly? What is the chart symbol for that, please? For Zilika or whatever it is. What's the chart symbol for that? Yeah, I did. ETH is beautiful, Chemo. ETH is a beautiful WXY, best I can tell. Looking for 5 waves up. We've already gotten a 1, 2 in. Best I can tell. We got a W, X, and then now I need the Y wave. We got 5, 3-wave pullback. It's a flat. I got a nice count, and then I got a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my ETH count. Okay, Zill. Thank you. I know it seems stupid that I don't know that, but I didn't know that. All right. This has a much cleaner count. It looks like it's already finished 3 waves to the upside. We're almost finished. Need some divergence right here. A, B, C. Yep, I need a little divergence, so there might be one more hit to the high. But this is gonna this will most likely come back down in 3, or it'll make a lower low. One of those two, but the next wave is going to be down. Probably 3. And then maybe that. And then down. Can Zill get completely bullish? Maybe. So if this isn't a three-wave move that's done and we're going to go down again or come down for another wave, then this could keep on impulsing to the upside. But not seeing it as oversold as it is. I'm not seeing it. I would need to watch this a little more closely in this region, see what happens. But this is a corrective pocket. Usually you get a reversal around there. If you get a wave down like this in three waves, then you'll get another wave up most likely, but it's going to probably continue down after that. So watch what happens around this wave, around this area. Do you get three waves down, or does it start impulsing down and make a lower low? That could be a three-wave move like that. You got lots of time. You can ask me next week. Ask me next Sunday when I do Sunday night charts what ZIL is. I'll see if I can get it for you. Yeah, ETH does look good, man. All right, crypto apparel. You want FTM? Okay, so just so right here, this broke. Okay, so this broke this low right here, and so that means this can't be a 1-2-1-2. But what it can be is this is a 1 and that could be a 2 and this could go up. Now, if this low gets broken, that cannot be a 1-2 to the upside followed by 3-4-5 like that. It cannot be that. So now what we're going to do is watch this low. If this comes down and breaks this low, then most likely this was a wave 4, okay? And we're going to get a fifth wave down and then we get the reversal after that. So that's the way I'm looking at that. Just so you know, guys. And you really ought to study wave structure. There's just so much benefit in understanding what I just shared with you. How waves move and why they move, what they do. Yeah, I already looked at ADA. ADA's got me a little confused. I've got a couple accounts for it, but I've already been over that chart. So this one looks like a running flat. So this is FTM. It's interesting. Boom. 3 waves down. 5 waves up. That's a 5-3-5 right there to the 1-to-1. So that's 3 down, 3 up. Maybe this is coming down 5. So here's an idea for you. I don't know if it's going to play or not. I never know if my ideas are going to play. Just wave structure ideas. This could be a flat right there. Got hidden bear divergence right here in this wave. Wouldn't be surprised to see one more hit. Maybe even to the 786 or there. One more hit. And then boom, 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 and then more upside to follow. So that's a possibility there. Could it go up from here? Yeah, it could go up from here. What would that be if it goes up from where it is right here? This is a 1-2, and that's a 1. That's a 2, and so a big wave up to the upside is coming. If that's a bullish count, 1-2, 1-2. If this comes down and breaks that low right there, then that 1-2, 1-2 is not the count. Kev, give me a minute. I'll look at it again just real quick and show you a quick take on it, buddy. Just give me a second. Hey, Heather, what's up? So there's FTM. All right, guys. All right, I've kind of looked at all those here from our last chart. We're gonna look at ADA real quick, and then we'll look at Bitcoin one more time. Give you the ideas that I'm looking at. The double fake out coming, and then we'll call it a night. I hope you guys have enjoyed the live stream and just kicking back, chilling with the charts. Um, yeah. So I got a couple of ideas here, but one of my ideas is that this is a WXY right here. There's a lot of reasons I don't like that count, especially because of the wave structure right in here. I don't. All right, this is possible if I count it this way. What if I call that W, that X, and then we get Y up here? It's just too high. It's too high. It's too high. Having a hard time with this count right here. That wave structure is super, super. What's clear is that we got a 5-wave move, 3-wave pullback. So is this just an impulse? It's a 1-2, and this is another 1-2. And now we're getting another 1-2, and it's getting ready to go bullish. Maybe. What looks really good on in fact, that's exactly the way it looks. Um, yeah, that's a beautiful flat 3-3-5 right there. Correction. It's a very nice corrective wave with major hidden bullish divergence on the chart. I haven't looked at the high time frames on ADA. Yeah, ADA is getting ready to rock it up again. Um, ADA is getting ready to go again. Now it may retest the bottom first, and I think it might. Okay, so it might play around here and retest the bottom. But yeah, it's looking super, guys. That's about as bullish as you get. You don't get much more bullish than that. That's crazy bullish. So ADA higher highs coming big time. The small time frame, I'm having a hard time with it, but the higher time frame, this is majorly bullish. That looks like a 3-wave move, and then boom, this is gonna go. Jesse Sanchez would be glad to look at VeChain for you. Thank you for that super chat. I appreciate it, buddy. Thank you very much. So kind, gracious, and generous. I appreciate that. So yeah, I'm bullish on ADA, and it's going to make higher highs. Where's it going? It's going to $4, most likely. How long is it going to take to get there? I don't know, but man, that's a good trade. That's a good trade. I got the FOMO on ADA right now. Seriously, I got the FOMO. Might have to switch over to ADA and play it. I just can't understand the small time frame chart right now. 1-2. I mean, this just might be getting ready to skyrocket. That could be a 1-2, 1-2. Just a series of 1-2s right there, and it's getting ready to go. I can't make much sense of the wave structure. So, yep. But 4 hour time frame, bullish is all get out. Bullish is all get out. It looks fantastic on the 4 hour. I mean, that is a long, all day long in my world. All day long. Chemo, are you seeing the ADA chart? It looks amazing. I mean, the chart's bullish right now. My moon boy count for Bitcoin. Once all this trash happens, if it happens, which remains to be seen, uh, either this is a 1-2, 1-2, and we're going up big time. See, we're looking at in our Discord, we're looking at this as a three wave move. Yeah, oh yeah, we got amazing bullish hidden bull divergence on the higher time frames on the 4 hour there. Bitcoin's a long right now as well, but it's I don't think it's coming down again. I think it's going up, but how it goes up is another question. Yeah, I've been too much on the small time frames lately. I've neglected the higher time frames. Yeah, ETH looks fantastic. Yeah, been navigating this stupid little small wave stuff. I haven't taken the time for the 4 hour. Looks great. Looks great. We're gonna get an upward wave. There's no doubt about it. Just how it comes is the question. All right, guys. Oh, moon boy count. Yeah, this is like a 1-2, and we got a 1-2. Let's see. Can you have a bunch of 1-2s in this? One, two, one, two, one. See, I don't like this. This 1-2, 1-2. That's ugly. Looks more like a flat. Oh yeah, thank you so much, Gmax. Jesse. How did I forget you? Let me go right to it. Totally forgot you, dude. How did I forget you? That's crazy. VChain. Gmax, you're amazing. Thank you so much for reminding me. Okay, let's look at the 4 hour. Super bullish chart right there, guys. Super bullish chart. On the 4 hour. It's not as bullish as could be, but it is bullish. Boom. That's hidden bullish divergence. Looks like we got a three wave move. It looks like we got a three wave correction right here. So it looks like it's going to get some continuation. So yeah, that's bullish here. A small time frame. One, two. This looks a lot like XRP, but I'm not sure what it is. This could be a 1-2, and we might be in the middle of. So this came down pretty deep already. What? A lot like ADA. Could be going up from here. But don't be surprised if it gives you that fake out move. Gets up here, comes down, and then goes up. 3, 3, 5, and then up. Doesn't have to do that, but it could. Chain. I don't know. This wave structure is a little. It's like ADA. It's kind of hard to understand. It could just be heading up. But it might do it. I think Bitcoin's doing and fake us out, and then go up. Not correct. QA divergences on all time frame. Depends on what you're trading. I trade hourly divergence. It's wonderful. Divergence on the hourly chart is amazing. So yeah, I mean, and daily divergence, to be honest with you, takes a long time to play out. A long time to play out. So the right now there is, like for instance, you've got divergence here on the daily on VeChain. Okay, so you've got divergence there to there, but that's a flat right here. This is a flat, and in flats you get divergence, and it's played out. Okay, it played out. But if you look on the 8 hour, you've got what we or the 4 hour. Well, let's look at the 8 hour. That's a good chart. We've got what we call hidden bullish divergence, where this has come down and corrected bullishly, and it's ready to. It looks like it's ready to go back up again. So, yeah, that is incorrect. That daily divergence is all that matters, or the most, what counts the most right now. Not true. Fampus. Fampus, huh? My Fampus double cheeseburger. That's funny. All right, guys. There is Jesse. Did I help you out with VeChain? It's looking good. Whether we get another low or not, I don't think so. I think it's gone as low as it's going, and it may be going up for a higher high, but maybe come back Sunday night this week, and I'll do some more analysis. We'll see where the charts are then, and I'll give you a little bit more. I'll know the intermediate waves a little bit better. Okay. Now the charts are bullish, guys, but on the 4 hour. But keep in mind, let me just say this: that as bullish as they are, there's room for more downside. Okay, so there can be more downside to come. We might get another wave down. It just depends on what the charts are doing. I've got a couple of counts there. We're gonna have to pay attention and see. But anyway. All right, guys. Have a fantastic night. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. That'd be amazing. Hey, G-Max, thanks for all the encouragement for the likes. I really appreciate that. Hey, if you could just take a minute and hit the like button, that'd be great. Maybe come back after the video is over and it's uploaded and throw a comment in the comment section. Just blow it up for me. It'd be a great way just to say thanks for the video and the time. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subs, so it's just I don't know why I'm trying to get to that other than, hey, I made it to 10,000 subs. That's pretty cool. I'm at about almost 8,500, so I hope you guys enjoyed the time. And if you want more of this stuff all the time, if you want like what we just did, we do this all the time in our Discord, twice a day at least. And last night we were live all night long. We're just having a good time. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow, okay? Or some other day. We'll see. I'll definitely see you guys in the Discord. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks again. Bye-bye.